What's up, guys? I'm at the truck stop waiting for a load. There's nothing to do, so I've decided that I'm gonna change the radio finally, because I got this thing for a long time here in the truck and I didn't have the plastic frame for double DIN radio. This is for a single DIN with the storage under it, so I just got this one at the junkyard. So I'll try to change it. I don't know if it's gonna be easy because this one's got the little slides here and they are sticking out a little bit. I'm gonna see. The first thing, I'm gonna have to remove all these trims. This one. This bottom one. And we got 1, 2, 3 and 4 torques. This is what size? It's T25. It was not connected because I didn't use it. It was unplugged. All the cables are inside the harnesses. This fits, but I'm worried about the metal the metal cage that is right here. This thing. It will fit, but it's a little bit bent on the side, but I think it's gonna be fine. We'll see with the radio. Got the harness. Gonna connect here, and then the other ends I have to pigtail to the radio harness. Let's take the radio out. Everything is here. Radio harness, I guess. Let's try this on, if it fits. And it looks like I don't even need this harness that I would have to pigtail to the radio connector, because this one came with the radio and it's looks like it's plug and play. Yeah, so everything should work. We'll see. Let's try. this thing. Yeah, that's what I thought. It won't fit like this. Okay, I managed to put the radio inside with the metal cage. Everything is in tight. The screen is still out. Now I'm gonna slide it here. We'll see, just to check if everything's gonna sit nice. Yeah, it does. So I think I got it. Now I have to check if this will actually work with the harness that came with the radio. Open the screen. Okay. Nice. Kind of big. Covers my fan knobs just a little bit. It looks okay. Of course, the steering wheel control won't work. This only worked with my original radio. Which got back a long time ago. Okay, so only this one and the antenna. Okay, let's connect the radio. Radio got the USB harnesses that you can put them out anywhere in the dash. Little longer cables, not super long, but okay, let's see. Does work. Nice. But it looks nice. Just plug the antenna. Let's see all the options. Language. Oh, got all the languages. Even Polish. Wow. Okay. Go back to English. I have to figure out what is this brake detection. Reversing mute, reversing mirror. A lot of options here. To connect the camera and the USB cables. I'm gonna try to connect my phone to it and we'll see what it does. Okay, got the USB cable from the radio, USB here, and let's connect my phone. We'll see what it does. Nope. Nice. All this super cool. So Android Auto works. Let's try if the mirroring works. It's on mirroring right now. Unlock the phone. It does work. Very nice. Obviously don't use this when you drive, and I don't think it's gonna work when the car is moving anyway, because look, you can watch YouTube and stuff like this. So you know, it's not good to do stuff like this when you drive. But everything seems to work nice, and comes with the backup camera, but I won't use this thing because for what? And microphone for the hands-free set. I'm going to connect the microphone now. So I pull the radio out, I remove the fuse box cover, and I'm gonna put the cable, since I got the hole here, I'm gonna put the cable from the microphone through here all the way down here, and this is actually the mic connector on the back of the radio. So super easy. You can even do it with one hand. Since everything works, I'm gonna put everything back together because it's a mess here. I'm going to put this frame on it too. I know it's practically not visible because of the big screen. Look at the edge here. And I want it to look nice, so I'm gonna put this on. Okay, got the black frame on. Now it looks a little better. But I think it was the hardest part to do because I had to put the double-sided tape all around it, and didn't come with any hooks or nothing, and it's not like a clipped on thing. So I just put the double side tape and it works. Let's put everything back together now. These plastic tabs like to break, so be easy with it. you can position the screen like you want, because it goes down like all the way down, all the way up, and you can move it around. So it's a really nice thing. Down, up, to the side. Little update, guys. It wasn't quite plug and play, because as soon as I turn off the ignition, the radio goes back to factory settings. Like all the settings that I did, that I put, the radio station, date, time was gone. So the simple fix was, I'm gonna show you on this harness right here. Maybe this setting's gonna work with other radios, like other harnesses, but on this Volvo I had to switch the yellow wire with the red wire. So I simply took the yellow wire out and the red wire out and switched the positions. Red goes here and yellow goes here, and after that everything works. All the settings are they stay the same when I turn the ignition off. Radio, everything. So that's it. It's a cool radio.